Now the process for planting in the nursery bed is the same for chili and for pepper. You still do not spray while in the nursery bed. At what point does chili and hot pepper differ in how they are grown? In the nursery bed, they are all cared for in the same way. The difference comes when you transplant to the main garden. Still, even the medications or chemicals that we use in chili are the same as those that we use in hot pepper. Though there is a slight difference in the measurements that you use, but still the insect that will cause black spot in pepper is the same insect that will cause black spot in chili. Chili does not get moth, is not affected by moth. What advice do you give to someone who is just starting, who is still wondering whether to start with hot pepper or chili? Now, I would advise if someone is starting for the very first time that they would start with growing hot pepper. Hot pepper has a very big market. It's highly demanded, and again, it's not tedious when it comes to harvesting it. Because now you see, for me to harvest this chili, the people you're seeing who are working in this garden, I go looking through all villages, picking these workers to come and work on this garden.